How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. If you see right here, right there, the reflection don't let me see it. A little scratch on the paint. Hopefully you can see it right there. Reflection is really good on it. But if you see it right here, we want to remove that. I'm going to start with this to remove scratches. Next step, easy cream glaze. Let's go with this one. So what this pro is gonna do, easy cream glaze, is gonna remove some scratches, light scratches, swirls, and it's gonna leave a deep shine on your paint. While it fills some of the light scratches, it's gonna make your paintwork look a lot better and a very deep shine. Clean your paintwork first with Smart waterless wash, then some VSS swirl remover, and at the end apply easy cream glaze to remove fine scratches, squirrel marks, and your paint is gonna look awesome. As you can see, I hope you like this episode. All the pros used on this little video, they're gonna be in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.